How to make a sound in Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Snapchat on a device. Now simply record your snap, then tap on the music icon. Now on the horizontal menu simply scroll to the right and tap on my sounds. Then tap on create sound. Now here you can get two options. You can upload from camera roll. You can also record the audio. Now simply choose any one of them. Then record the audio. Now once you're done, you can select make the sound public, tap on OK. Now enter the sound name, then tap on save. You can also choose from upload from camera roll, then select the video. Again repeat the same process, then tap on save. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.